complete including entire activator, real the sheet.
Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to spawn a car on GTA 5. So to spawn a car, you must use your cheat code. So at first, open your cheat box, placing the button in the middle of escape and the tab button beside of the number 1. So after the basic, this cheat box pops up on the screen and just type comment like this and hit enter. As you can see, the car is spawned at front of me. So guys, that's how you spawn a car on GTA 5. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest hits and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.